Hey guys, it's Christina with D&V Site Development. Right now we are up in beautiful Richmond, Rhode Island. We're doing an asphalt milling driveway install. Currently our customer has some crushed stone, looks like there's just some old gravel as our driveway. We've got Dan in skid steer right now. Right now he is rough grading, prepping the driveway before our first load comes. He's removing material away from the garage and the house. There's also an RV pad extension that we're going to be grading up and finishing. So I'll see you in a little bit when the first load comes.